Let me rock it, rock it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joey here again. So today I will be bringing you guys yet another wig review, and this wig review is brought to you by divatrust.com. So if you guys are interested in knowing more, just keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm super excited to bring you part 2 of Battle of the Bobs. So this bob obviously is a lot more different than the one that I reviewed last time with you guys. This wig is actually from Main Concept. And Main Concept Hair, I did review one of their wigs, which I really love. So if you guys have not checked out that review, I will be putting it on my description box so you guys can check it out. And I will also be putting the description box on the other bob that I reviewed for you guys, so you guys can determine which bob you like better and which one fits better for you. But I will be giving you my honest opinion on which one I think is better, just to, you know, add a little twist to my YouTube videos, and to also, you know, kind of encourage to see what do you guys like better. Let's dive into the facts. So this is actually the box that it comes into, and I'm like super duper surprised that I kept this part of the box, because I always throw this part out because it's super annoying, but I don't know why I kept it. But this is the box, and this right here is the stock card, which is really big. And one thing that Main Concept does that I really like is that, like, if you're a first time buyer for wigs, you have a full instruction on how to actually apply your wig on your head. So this is it right here, and this is actually the color that I'm wearing right now. It's just, you guys probably can't see it in this lighting, but my hair is actually blue right now. This color is like a navy blue. It says it's a flat edge blunt cut. So as you guys can see, it is a blunt cut. And I did show you guys the angles in the beginning of the video. The name of the wig is RCP 788 Kiara. So if you guys are looking for this wig, just type in Main Concept Kiara and she should pop up. And the color that I'm wearing is blue black. I did put her up to 430, so she does take the heat pretty well. And she does come in a few other colors. She comes in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She comes in 8 other colors. So these are the other colors that she comes in, and this is the color that I'm wearing again. Let me give you guys my opinion on this wig. So the first thing that you guys need to know about this wig, that it doesn't say it on the stock card, but I'm gonna tell you. This wig is actually a yaki texture. So versus my other wig, which was the Verona wig from itsawig.com, this wig is a lot more, it has a lot more density, like a lot more density. It looks more like yaki. So I did flat iron her a little bit, so she does look a little bit smoother, especially in the front. But in the back, but right here, you can tell, like, you can actually see the very heavy yaki texture. So she does have a very heavy yaki texture. In the back, she's a lot more thinner than she is in the front. I feel like there's a lot more density in the front. You're not gonna get a lot of shedding, because I didn't get shedding at all. Might get a little bit of tangling just because of the yaki texture. I feel like the more heavier the yaki texture, the more tangling you might get, but I have not gotten any tangling. I've had this wig for about 4 days already, and I've tried her on. I actually wore her out once, and she still hasn't tangled up on me or anything. I feel like the parting space is a lot more open on this. I love it a lot. I do like that it doesn't have a lot of demarcation either, which the demarcation is going to be right here in the front, and sometimes you can really see where the wig starts. I feel like you don't get that a lot with it. I feel like this wig gives me like Aaliyah vibes from the 90s. It just gives me a real 90s vibe, and I love that about her. I feel like she's easy to wear. I feel like she's business casual. I feel like she's grown and sexy. I feel like if you want to try a more of a shorter haircut, she's perfect. She's perfect for the winter time. I feel like she's perfect for the summertime. She's just so pretty. She does have 3 adjustable combs. So she has one right here, she has one right here, and she has one in the back that you can tighten up. Versus the Verona one, the wig cap on this wig is a lot bigger. So if you are more of a big head girl, you should be fine with this unit versus the Verona, because I feel like Verona was a little small, which I don't have a problem with it because I have a small head. But you know, for my girls who have a bigger head, I would say that this wig would be a better choice. I would say though, if you're gonna go with the lighter color, if you're gonna go with a platinum blonde, just be careful because it does have a very strong yaki texture, which makes Verona a little better for the lighter colors, because Verona looks more like human hair versus this actually looks like yaki. So I feel like if you get a lighter color, it is gonna show up a lot more and it's gonna matten up a lot quicker. So I would say just keep that in mind. If you're gonna go with a lighter color, I would go with Verona. If you're gonna go with a darker color, I would definitely go with Kiara, because I feel like Kiara looks a lot more dense and it looks a lot more natural. But I will keep you guys updated on how long these wigs have lasted, because I've only had them for a week and so far they're doing pretty good. I feel like this one's it's holding up very, very well. With Kiara, I haven't really messed around with Kiara too much, but I will say between the two of them, I would say I like Kiara a little bit more. I do love the color on Verona. Verona is beautiful, but Kiara caters more to other people out there other than people who have a smaller head, which is where Verona comes in. Verona is perfect for my small head girls, but my bigger head girls, I would say Kiara is gonna be your wig. And I just feel like Kiara's sexy. Kiara it has the perfect cut. I feel like it has the perfect parting space, and I feel like Main Concept definitely did their thing when they made this wig. I do want to thank Diva Trust again for letting me review this wig for you guys. And if you guys have any comments, any questions, make sure that you drop it below. Make sure that you check out my other videos. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you also check out Diva Trust and check out their units and see what they have in discount for you guys. I will be putting the link for this wig down below as well. I will see you guys soon. Bye.